What's going on there, guys? Ace the Gamer here, and today we have for you guys, not we, as I'm acting like this more of me, it's only one of me, but anyways, I have for you guys best loadout, and today we're going to be covering the M27 IAR. And for the weapon, for the first attachment you want to unlock, you want to use the holographic halo sight, or Hulu, whatever you say it, or however you pronounce it. And this is probably the best sight. I use this sight for mostly all of my weapons, all the support class LMGs. I use a holographic sight. Anyways, continue on for the second part, and I use the foregrip for this gun because it is a LMG. All LMG have high recoil. If you don't have a foregrip on it, your gun will be flying all over the place. I mean, like, you're gonna be freaking shooting like you're trying to get some type of little bug to fly in the air. That's why you have to unlock the foregrip for this one. And for the third attachment, you want to use the laser sight. Yeah, it's kind of noobish, but it does kind of impair your enemy, and it does reduce their visibility of seeing you because you have to blind them with the laser sight. And the laser sight also gives you a hip fire advantage. You get a lot more accurate with the laser at close range. Not at long range. It's basically useless for long range. But anyways, you don't need a camo on it. You haven't unlocked any camo. For the sidearm, go to M9111, or whatever you want to say it, M1911. Yeah, that's the sidearm you want to use. And for the gadget, go for the ammo box. It does give you the ability to support your squad, which is called a support class, because you do support them with having them get more ammunition. And for the gadget number 2, use a M18 Claymore, just in case if you're feeling a little anxious. You want to put this around anywhere you're trying to be at, and hopefully someone walks by and gets blown up by it. And for the specialization, go with squad ammo. This does gives you more tactical ammunition pouches and allows you basically to carry more ammunition. And it does contribute to your squad, and they do get additional ammo also. But anyways, like always, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video of this M27 IAR, and make sure to hit that like button and watch my other video right there. They'll pop up on the screen anywhere, and make sure to subscribe, and have a nice day. Peace out.